Okay, so yesterday we started creating the website, the WordPress website. So logging here is a little slow. We set up the subdomain and we create navigation. We add the meta slider and we create all the pages we need for the website. We insert image and also we insert I think it's here we insert image and we insert content. Some are still empty, so some are already there. And we also customize the background color and the spacing and put a logo on and have a footer. So today what we are going to do, so always have two tabs. One tab is the actual look of your website. Another tab is your kitchen, which is the dashboard, WP-admin. So because I asked computer to remember my login and the password, this reason I don't have the WordPress login here. But again, if you use the computer doesn't belong to you, don't ask computer to remember it. So now from here I'm coming to just quick look at that is the home page for now. So I'm coming to my page, all pages, and the home page. And from here, I click the page builder. My home page setup maybe is a little bit different than the one showing on yours because I delayed the most of content there. And for yours, you probably has this circle icon and that widget. So I'm going to add right now my homepage except the meta slider underneath is empty. If you don't want to add any information down here, you can, but for the company website, I would definitely recommend you have the other links, the other content set up there. There are many ways to do that. There are some ways like say add a row. So I'm going to have, for instance, you can have a 4-row, you can have a 3-row. Right now I'm going to have a 3-row and 3 equal thing here. And then I'm going to add the widget. So you can have actually let me do 2 different ways and then you can see which one you like better. So one way is you add a visual editor and you edit from there, and we are going to add a little icon here. So I need to open my Photoshop and create a little kind of like a thumbnail thing. Because it's going to be a clickable little thumbnail, so for the 3 column, you need to have the same size. Open here. Websites. Website. Okay, images. Let me select some of them. Okay, open this and see. Okay, delete this. Going to crop this. I'm going to ask this to have the WH resolution. I'm going to say 150 px 150 px plus 150 px, and the resolution is 72. Okay, then I'm going to set up this to here. Okay, that's one. And second one, okay, I'm going to do this. Second one, third one. Don't want to chop his head. Okay. That's okay. I just need the 3. So after I'm done with this, I said export it, save for web. JPEG. Yeah, JPEG's good. 70 quality, that's good. So I'm going to save this image in the same folder, give a name. See, icon 1. And the second one, export, save for web. Okay, I see. Icon 2. Export, save for web. Icon 3. Okay, after I'm done with this, I'm ready to do this visual editor. I say add media. I need to upload those files here in my media library. Go to desktop where I'm saving my images. Icon 1, 2, 3. Looks like the third one. Which one? Let me check. This one import, that one import. Okay. Missing one. This, okay. Export it, save that. Icon 1. Profile, select this. Okay, this is good. So because I say there is no extension, that means something wrong. Okay, so I'm checking this. And I'm going to do, I use the font size 150 but insert into page. I don't need this. I don't need this. I only need this. I'm going to center this. I'm going to add a little bit content here. Copy from the Word document. Open recent. Website. Latina Web. Content. going to copy a little bit of content here. Apple C. Here I'm going to clear the formatting. Apple V, paste it. I'm going to separate them, make it center. Okay, including the, going to make this more. I'm going to make this a link. Everything will be a link. Insert and edit link. I'm going to make this link. This I'm going to ask this to go to the Bettina's drama homepage. There is another, and I'm going to just contact Bettina. Okay, open link in a new tab is the same as the Dreamweaver we use. Open is a target, and say add a link, and I'm going to change this color into the dark gray, and I say done. I say update it. Okay, and let's duplicate another one. I'm going to put it here, and I'm going to duplicate another one. So I'm adding this. It's a little slow. Okay, visual. Just update it. Preview the changes. So right now I have those three equal things open here, added here. If I click this, that will link us to this page. Is about is a content Bettina, which we haven't put on the content yet. So how we're going to change those two into, because if you want to click to access to the different places. So let me see. I noticed there is extra space. I just need to clear this up. Yeah. Okay, down, update it. From here, I click it. So I'm going to, when you select this image, look, there is a little pencil. Just choose this and say replace. And I'm going to replace with this. And say replace, okay. And set to the center. I'm going to replace, have a different content. Going to select this, copy that. Going to delete this, clear the format, and paste there. Remove the link and clear the format. Set to center. And then I'm going to have the same, when we click, this is going to lead to her resume page. So I'm select all and add it and the link to we can have this updated, add the link. Link, this one is going to link to her another page. For instance, it is going to link to her painting page. Okay, add a link. So I'm going to say change this color to dark green, which I like. Done. Update it. The third one, edit. Same thing. So I'm going to delete this extra space. Going to choose this and replace this with this little icon and say replace, send to center. And I'm going to copy some other content here. Going to delete this. Going to paste that here. Going to clear the space, clear the format. Going to add a link. Oh, the whole thing. Add a link is going to, when they click, going to go to the 2015 drama show. Add a link. Going to see. Okay, change this to dark green. Okay, done. See the link. So I forgot to ask open link in new tab. That's dangerous because it's going to be replace my home page. When I open, it's now going to open the browser in a different tab. Going to click this, open link in a new tab, update it, done, update. What it's going to look like when I refresh this. Preview the changes. Yeah, this one I still have extra space. I'm going to edit, delete this space, done, update it. Okay, preview the changes. Okay, perfect. You can have a 4 row, 5 rows, and you can have a different column, 4 column, 5 column. Is up to you. So this will lead to another page. For instance, I click that, is coming to this the 2015 drama play. So if I click this, it's going to this page. We haven't put content yet, but everything is working here. And there is another way to do this link. It's the same like add a row. So I'm going to say 3 row, insert, add a widget. This I'm going to see post slider. Where is the bundle has a circle icon? Yes. Add a widget. I think I need to go to the plugin and activate this first. Okay, update. Let me click this circle icon. Okay, it is okay here. Alright, so I'm going to move this circle icon here. I'm going to edit. So the title, this one is going to be, for instance, I say garden clear staff. And the text, I'm going to copy this. And the icon, I'm going to use a circle background image URL. I'm going to use this instead of then this I need to find Apple C, Apple V, I need to go to the library and to find out the media library. When you click this, remember everything is on the server. So when you click this, notice they give you the where this icon being stored, the whole thing. This URL, copy this and put it icon background, circle icon background, Apple V. Okay, icon position top, icon size small. You can do medium or large, it's up to you. And visit getting to know us and more URL. That means when you click is going to which page you want this going to be. So I want this to go to for instance Bettina's music. So I'm copying this URL here. I'm putting this here and link the title and icon to more URL and then say down, update it, and preview the change. See, notice this is different. Everything is in the circle, and then it is has a title and has this and the link to the page we want them to be. And when you click this and the circle icon, so it's the same way. Some of the student has this been set it up already on the home page. It's called the circle icon. So we come back to the dashboard and just duplicate 1, 2. I'm just going to drag and move them here. So I'm going to edit, and this one I'm going to say, okay, about Bettina. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to put it, I don't need this page, I'm going to put it text. Okay, that's where you want them to see. And you can have just a simple icon with a color. I'm going to show instead of the background image URL, you can do that as well. So the background color, for instance, I choose 002233, and I'm going to say, okay, maybe use that. The top, Bettina, resume, and this I'm coming to about the Bettina. Okay, I want to link to this page. So I'm coming to here and change the more URL, down, update it, preview the change. So notice this one we use image, and this one we just use a simple color icon. And here, if you click, it goes to Bettina's resume. All right. So everything is linked together. That's one way to create a link and a thumbnail, and there is another way using circle icon. 2 ways I'm showing you guys how to create links and thumbnail on homepage. You can also link from the top navigation bar. Also, is very good habit and very good design concept to have the important link you want your audience to go to repeat it here. For instance, if you want to repeat stuff, if you want to repeat important show, you want to repeat, and underneath the little tab. Okay, because on the navigation bar, it is just a text. Sometimes it's not that attractive, and it could lead the audience to just not browsing really thoroughly. on your website. Okay, that's how we do on the home page, adding the thumbnail, adding the content, adding the link here. And so the next, actually, I'm going to do is, we finish the home page. I'm going to do is on the all pages. Going to do the contact patina. So I'm going to use this contact form. Click the page builder, say add a row. I'm adding 2 rows. So insert and add a widget. I'm adding the visual editor here and duplicate, put it here. On this visual editor, I'm putting their address. And the contact information. Okay, here I'm going to change the color, make it bold, add this. And if you want to change color, you can. And this email, you can add this link to the email address you want. Okay, when you click this, is remember this mail to semicolon? That is the one we learn by using Dreamweaver, right? So the same thing here. So when you click, it's just very easy. You just click this link, they pop up adding code for you. That's excellent. Okay, text color. For instance, I want to change to this text color, maybe the red. Dark red will be better. Okay. I say done and update it. And the next thing is, look, remember we add a plugin called a contact form? I'm going to use this. Contact form. Click that and add a new form. Form options, button text. Okay, field email, and you can select the field. You can add a field, but right now we just publish. And the shortcode is this one. We just copy this shortcode here. And on our page, which is the page, all pages, and it goes to contact patina. Remember we had the 2 columns. That's where you're going to do. Click this and put a copy and paste your shortcode there and say done, update it. Okay, preview the change. You have some basic information there, and there's simple little form there, but we can come back and edit more form. Or there is another contact form which I like better than this one. So I'm showing you both. Add a widget. The visual editor, and is this contact form here. So either or you can use, and there's contact form. You can copy this shortcode here and go back to the page, the contact page. master page. Okay, page, all page, and contact button. Yeah, here, go to edit. We put this contact form there, done, update it, preview changes. So look, you can request the audience to put a name and email and subject and the message, and click the send. It's going to go to the email you want them to be. All right. And those how we create a content form. And the last, what I'm going to show you guys is how to create it's called a photo gallery. That is useful for the artist and portfolio, not for the company website, because company website don't need to display tons of picture unless it is a graphic design company, advertising company, or photography wedding company. Otherwise, you don't really need this function. But for the portfolio website, you do need this. So we go to plugin, we go to install the plugins. Remember that nagging gallery I told you guys don't activate. Now it's time to activate. The reason I did that is because there are a little bit of conflict with this nagging gallery and then circle icon, the little code. So it's not going to display different, but it's going to interfere at the back end, so you will see a little different thing. Okay, we're active there. I probably should stop here. Let's see what we can do for the parts I just taught you guys.